Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make Accra banana with just Garri and overripe bananas. To get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way you will be notified anytime I upload new videos. So first and foremost, we're gonna go ahead and peel up the bananas and we will blend them. So as you can see there, I peeled about 5 large bananas, and I'll advise you use a kind of overripe banana because it is very soft and it's going to give it that sweetness. After blending, I'll go ahead and pour the banana paste into a mixing bowl. And I'm also going to advise you leave a little bit, and that way if your mixture is too hard you can add it later. So I'm going to be adding about 3 cups of Garri to that mixture. So I'll simply say add 3 cups of Garri or mix until you have that consistency. And then when you're done mixing, I'm going to go ahead and cover it, and I'll let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes so the Garri can soften up. So guys, as you can see, my mixture was too hard, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the remaining paste that I left earlier, and I'll mix it again. So for this you could use white or yellow Garri. There's no difference. The only difference is the color, as you all know. I usually make it with any Garri I have available. When you're done mixing, go ahead and roll the akra the same way we roll normal akra banana. So when I'm done rolling the balls, I'm going to go ahead now and start frying. Those are the balls, guys. So my oil is already hot, and remember, fry on a low to medium heat. Do not put up high heat, else the akra is going to burn. Medium and sometimes low heat. Guys, this is a snack I advise you should try. Try this, it's very easy. It's not like you have to go back and start looking for cassava. Those like the old traditional way we do it. I know that is good, people like it that way, but I promise you, if you try it this way, it tastes the same way. Like there is no difference. It's like I did it with fresh cassava. Try it and tell me how or what you think. So I didn't film the process of frying the first batch, so I'm going to quickly fry another batch so you guys can see. And I'm going to make it quick. Yes guys, that was me trying the first batch, and it is sweet, it is soft, and I feel like I'm eating akra banana. Oh my god, you will enjoy it, I promise you. And yeah, we're done frying, guys. It's not for sale. We actually ate this at home, and I promise you we had this at once. Yeah, we actually ate everything. I know it's many. There's too many of us also, so yeah. So if you did learn something from my video, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and also comment. Leave a comment below. And if you want me to make something, don't forget to hit me up in the comment box, and also hit that notification bell. That way you are notified anytime I upload any video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.